Hello and welcome back. Today we will work on our nose. Let's get started. Press these 3 points, hold for 5 to 10 seconds from the buds on both sides to the inside of the eye and gently release for 5 seconds per point. Hold the inner part of the eye and release. Grab the last point and release. Curl the upper and lower lips into the mouth as much as possible. Place both hands on the cheeks and open the mouth naturally, sliding the palms down. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Look at the ceiling. This will have stretching effect on your entire face. The nose does not get higher when you grow up. The nose gradually gets lower and wider and makes the nose look spread out. As the elasticity of the muscle and cheek muscles decreases or shortens, it pulls the hole to the side, causing the nose to spread out. Pinch the tip of your nose, then the middle part, and then the edge of the nose. Do it gently. Hold for 5 seconds each. And then release. Repeat the movement 5 times. If you do it consistently, you will be able to maintain a sharper and clearer nose. Do not put too much pressure on your nose. Be careful while you do this. To do this movement, apply natural, not excessive force. Hold the entire cartilage area from the tip of the nose to the bridge of the nose and shake slightly. This movement promotes blood circulation and makes the bridge of the nose thinner and smoother. Slowly sweep from bottom to the top, from nasal bone above the bridge of the nose to the front of the eyebrows to straighten the bridge of the nose. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Always use lotion or oil before proceeding. Keep pampering. Take care. Bye.